Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to count the number of records and store that count in a field in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to track how many related records exist under a parent object, like counting how many contacts belong to an account or how many opportunities are tied to a specific case. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to access the Salesforce setup area. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and click it from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This is your central hub for configuring and customizing Salesforce to meet your specific needs. Once you're in the setup area, locate the Object Manager option beside the Home button and click on it. Object Manager is where you can view and modify all the objects in your Salesforce instance. From here, click on the object you want to work with. For this example, let's say you're working with accounts. After selecting your object, you'll see several options on the left sidebar. Click on Fields and Relationships. This section controls all the fields associated with your parent object and allows you to create new ones or modify existing ones. Now it's time to create your new field. Click the New button to start the field creation process. You'll be presented with a list of field types to choose from. For counting records, select Roll-Up Summary, then click Next. Roll-Up Summary fields are specifically designed to perform calculations on related child records, making them perfect for this task. On the next screen, you'll need to define your field. Enter a field label such as Total Child Records. Don't worry about the field name. It will auto-populate based on what you enter in the field label. Once you've filled this in, click Next to continue. Now you need to specify which child object you want to count records from. From the Summarized Object dropdown, select the child object you want to summarize. This could be contacts, opportunities, cases, or any other related object. Next, choose your roll-up type. Since you want to count records, select Count from the drop-down menu. This tells Salesforce to simply count how many related records exist rather than sum or average specific field values. You'll see a Field to Aggregate option, but you can leave this blank if you want a total count of all child records. However, if you need to count only specific records based on certain criteria, click Add Filter to define your conditions. Once you've configured this, click Next. The next step involves setting field-level security. Here you can determine which user profiles should have access to view or edit this field. Select the appropriate security settings for each profile, then click Next. If your organization uses dynamic forms, you'll be prompted to select which dynamic forms pages should include this field. Make your selections and click Next. Finally, you need to choose which page layouts should display your new field. Select the relevant page layouts from the list, then click Save. Your roll-up summary field is now created and will automatically calculate and display the count of related records. And that's it. You've successfully created a roll-up summary field that counts and stores the number of related records in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.